Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. Even though the Indian Navy is very much excited post getting an approval for the 6 conventional submarines via Project 75I, the next major decision which they need to take is to select a proper foreign vendor who can work along with either Mazagon Dock shipbuilders or L&T shipyards in building these 6 submarines. The 5 global companies who were shortlisted are Russia's Rubin Design Bureau, Germany's Thyssen Group, France's Naval Group, Spain's Navantia, and South Korea's Daewoo Shipbuilding and Marine Engineering. The next question which comes into our mind about the various classes of submarine which would be proposed by these original equipment manufacturers. So let me provide details about the same in this particular video in a short manner. Beginning with Russia, it looks like Russia would be offering their Amur class submarines. The Amur class submarine, which is an export version of the Ladakh class, is one of the latest Russian submarine design. These submarines are said to have an improved acoustic stealth, new combat systems, and an option for air-independent propulsion. From Spain's Navantia, the offer which India will be getting is S-80 Plus class submarine. The S-80 Plus class submarine are in production by the Spanish company Navantia for the Spanish Navy. These submarines feature an air-independent propulsion, which is one of the vital requirements for Indian Navy for the Project 75I project. Coming to France's offer, it looks like France Naval Group is offering their diesel-electric version of the Barracuda class nuclear submarine. The good thing is that this submarine design was exhibited at DEF Expo in India during 2020. The air-independent propulsion system of this submarine uses the fuel cells with a diesel reformer to eliminate the need for onboard hydrogen storage. And it has been show tested for years, which is a strong point to be considered by Indian Navy. Coming to South Korea, the offer which has come from Hyundai Heavy Industries and Daewoo Shipbuilding and Marine Engineering of South Korea is DSME-3000 submarine. This type of submarine comes with the German-based fuel cell air-independent propulsion system. And another strong point is that South Korea is ahead of most countries in the race to fit the lithium-based battery technology to submarines. The last contender is Germany's Thyssen Group Marine Systems, which was also part of the contender, has withdrawn from this tender due to concerns with the conditions which was given by India. And I would be uploading a separate video in a detailed manner about this particular news. So now it's left to the Indian Navy to select one of the classes from one of the foreign vendors or go for 2 classes of submarine and give the contract to both L&T and Mazagon Dock shipbuilders. So let's wait and watch the progress in this particular regard, and I will upload more videos with more updates on Project 75I of Indian Navy. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to 10 Slide Info for more defense and aviation related updates. Thank you.